Chapter 8, Discrete Random Variables. Now we are going to work on an application where we will use the property that the sum of all probabilities add up to 1. Look at this exercise. A discrete random variable has the probability distribution shown in the table below. The values of x are 0, 1, 2. In the second row, we have the probability for each value. For x equals to 0, the probability is 1 over 4 minus a. For x equals to 1, the probability is a. For x equals to 2, the probability is 1 over 2 plus a. Find the value of a. In order to find the value of a, we need to remember the relation. The relation for the probability distribution is summation for probability of capital X equals to x for all values of x is equal to 1. So when x equals 0 plus the probability when x is 1 plus the probability when x is 2. This is what for all the values of x means. They are all equal to 1. The probability for x equals to 0 is 1 over 4 minus a plus the probability for x equal to 1 is a. The probability for x equal to 2 is 1 over 2 plus a. The summation for all of these is 1. Minus a and plus a cancel each other. We add the constants together. So plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2, it will result in plus 3 over 4 plus a equals to 1. Now we solve normally. We take 3 over 4 to the other side. A is 1 minus 3 over 4, which is 1 over 4. To be sure of our answer, we substitute the a in the table. 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4, that means the probability here is 0. Then for x equals to 1, the probability is 1 over 4. And finally, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 is 3 over 4. If we add all of these values, the answer is 1. So the value of a is correct.